And another thing is embrace the stage. See that stage as it's just only you. No one else is there. Make all of them disappear. Assume you are the only one standing there and talking. Just like you are practicing, nobody is around you. The moment you don't look into anybody's eyes, that fear, the beginning of fear is gone. After some time, you gain that confidence to be able to look into their eyes. But initially, since you are just starting, don't look at anybody. And from there, you see your transformation coming into place. And the most important thing, again, just like I said, take opportunities. Apart from practicing on your own, try as much as possible to create opportunities to see where you can be able to speak, wanting to speak. Those things boost your confidence. And personally, your growth will become better because you're already getting yourself involved in all these things. Another thing is sharing the positive results. Don't be negative, be positive. Look at what you have been able to achieve. Rome was not built in a day. You can't suddenly become the best speaker. For every speech you make or every talk you make, wherever, when you get back to your own self, take a look at yourself that, what did I do today? Where was I important today? Where was I good today? And what was the bad side which I can improve on? And encourage viewers to see public speaking and people around you to see it as a way of connecting. Most important thing I see again is that public speaking is a way of connecting and having impact on people. Because through that, the more you speak, the more you'll be able to connect with people, they will understand you, and that fear within you leaves entirely. And one thing I want you to understand, that communication is an art. So before you speak anywhere, try as much as possible to do some research on the topic you're about to talk about or what you want to speak about. Do your research. Know what you are doing. Write out those points that you want to talk about. Write them out. Read over them. Get used to them. Know every terms and words that are in what you're about to speak about. Because with that, you'll be able to say something that will have an impact in the life of that individual and have examples to give. During my own situation, I did a lot of research.